in a sea. Outdoors, everybody watching we. All the in-laws, I don't want no problems. Why you don't leave it? If this thing is love, then I really don't need it. I just want to join the line, drink a rum in paradise, have a good time with my friends, live my live my life. I want to hold on to girl and jam up in my man. I just want to have some fun, but this girl is gone now. She have with business out on the road. All with business out on the road. Watch out, she business out on the road. All with business out on the road. Oh 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 oh. Eh 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 eh.
Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you guys see by the title, I'm just doing this video to share with you guys how you can have a basic conversation in Patwa. Just a basic introduction, like you introducing yourself to someone and they're responding to you in Patwa. So for my new subscribers, I have a couple videos on how to speak Patwa. I have part 1, learn how to speak Patwa, part 2 and part 3, so you guys can go check those out. But this video is about introduction. You know, you meet a Jamaican and you want to show that Jamaican that, listen, I know a few words or two in Patwa, like I can introduce myself to you in Patwa, but you want to do it with a little spice, a little flavor. So that's what I'm gonna help you guys with in this video. So let's get right into the video. So the first one is, what is your name? Just meet a Jamaican and you want to ask them, what is your name in Patwa? So you're gonna say, where your name? Where your name? So I'm gonna be asking my friend over here, where your name? She's gonna respond back to me in Patwa. Alright, let's start the conversation. What is your name? Where your name? My name is K. My name K.
Nah, I don't believe it.
Alright, so after you ask the person, what is your name? Where your name? Next, you can ask the person, where are you from? Where are you from? Where you come from? Why do I have, yo, like Patwa? One thing about Patwa, like I said in my other videos, it just comes with the facial expression and the body language, yo. Okay, look at me when I'm speaking standard English. Where are you from? And check me out when I'm talking Patwa. Where you come from? Like, calm down. Take it down. Calm down. Let's do this again. So you're gonna ask the person, where are you from? And how we say where are you from in Jamaica is, where you come from. Where you come from? Let's continue the conversation. Where you come from? I am from Canada. Ma come from Canada. Ma come from Canada.
How you do it?
Yeah, me clean, everybody know this. Who make a small man what this? Who me know what this? Who me just watch this? I did brand new dance, me a TJ. If you a girl, just smile and show you them bro. Give it them know all the thing though. Brand new dance, it's simple. Dirt, show them the thing now. Dirt, everybody get your bones watch ya. Dirt, everybody get your bones watch ya. Dirt, everybody get your bones, hey. Dirt, everybody get your bones, watch ya. Mama dead, papa dead, brother dead, sister dead, uncle dead.
So after you ask the person, you know, where are they from, it all depends on what you guys want to talk about after that. But finishing the conversation, you can say, nice to meet you. And in Patwa, nice to meet you is, I'm glad to meet you. I'm glad to meet you. Let's continue the conversation. Nice to meet you. I'm glad to meet you. Nice to meet you too. I'm glad to meet you too.
Boy, if you don't...
Listen, this is just a typical conversation with Jamaicans. And then after you say, oh, nice to meet you, I'm glad to meet you, and you get that response, I'm glad to meet you too. Next you say, we'll talk later. And in Patwa, we say, me will link you up later. Me will link you up later. Let's continue the conversation. Me will link you up later. Okay, later, have a good day. Alright, later, walk good. And when a Jamaican say walk good, that means stay safe. So stay safe, have a good day, walk good. Alright, so this is just a short video sharing with you how to have a conversation in Patwa, basic introduction. So I hope you guys enjoy, and please remember to check out part 1, 2 and 3. Part 1 is doing so well on YouTube. I feel so good to know that I am able to help so many people, because I get a lot of comments every single day. I get a comment under that video, the part 1, from somebody, and it just warms my heart to know that I can help somebody to understand Patwa. Anyways, thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up. Wait. Share it with your friends. Share it over Dessa and Dessa. And stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.